Have you ever wondered if your toothbrush could do more than just clean your teeth? What if it could actually improve your gum health, remove surface stains, and even customize your cleaning experience to your needs? That's where the PHILIPS Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush comes in. And today, we're going to take an in-depth look at its features, performance, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. This sleek, white toothbrush promises gentle whitening, better gum health, and a superior clean with the power of sonic technology. It features a pressure sensor, 3 cleaning modes, and a 14-day battery life, plus a travel case for on-the-go hygiene. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what sets this toothbrush apart. The pressure sensor is a standout feature. If you're like me, you probably apply more pressure than necessary while brushing. The Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100 automatically detects this and adjusts the vibrations to protect your gums. This is a huge win for those who tend to overbrush or have sensitive gums, as it helps prevent irritation without sacrificing cleaning power. In terms of modes, the 3 cleaning modes are tailored for different needs. The clean mode for daily cleaning, the white mode for removing surface stains, perfect for that extra boost of confidence, and the gum care mode for a gentle massage that helps promote gum health. I personally love the gum care mode as it feels like a mini spa treatment for my gums each time. With 3 intensity levels, you can customize the brushing experience to your preference, whether you need a more intense clean or something gentler. The performance? The sonic technology delivers up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, which is seriously impressive. It effectively breaks down plaque and sweeps it away for a thorough yet gentle clean. After using it for a couple of weeks, I definitely noticed an improvement in my gum health, which was a huge bonus. My teeth felt smoother, and I could visibly see that surface stains were less noticeable. That's a plus for anyone who wants to maintain that fresh, bright smile. Now let's get to the pros and cons. The pros are clear. The design is sleek and modern, making it a stylish addition to any bathroom. The toothbrush is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to use. The pressure sensor really stands out, giving you peace of mind if you tend to press too hard while brushing. Also, the fact that it comes with a travel case and a compact charging base is a huge win for those who travel frequently. It's portable without compromising on power. And of course, the sonic technology ensures an exceptionally thorough clean. On the flip side, the cons are mostly about the price. It's definitely on the higher end for electric toothbrushes, and while it provides a lot of great features, it may not be the best fit for someone on a tight budget. Also, while the brush head is high quality, it may require frequent replacement, which can add to the long-term costs. When it comes to value for money, it really depends on your priorities. If you're after a toothbrush that offers customized brushing, superior gum care, and a gentle yet powerful clean, then this toothbrush might be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly with similar features, there are options out there, though they might not match the performance or sleek design of the Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100. In terms of build quality and longevity, the materials used in this toothbrush are durable and the design is robust. The 14-day battery life is perfect for those who travel, as you won't have to worry about charging it daily. The travel case is a nice touch for convenience, ensuring you can maintain your dental routine wherever you go. Now about customer support. I haven't had to interact with Philips directly for this product, but their reputation for customer service is solid. They're responsive, and the warranty that comes with the brush offers peace of mind. There have been no major updates to this product, so everything you see here is exactly how it's been designed from the start. That being said, the features offered are solid enough that updates aren't necessarily required to improve its overall performance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other electric toothbrushes on the market that offer similar features, such as the Oral-B Smart 1500 or the Fairy Wheel Sonic Electric Toothbrush, which come in at lower price points. However, the Philips Sonicare stands out for its superior pressure sensor and customizable settings. To sum it up, The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize gentle oral care, improved gum health, and a customizable brushing experience. It offers a lot of features for those looking to upgrade their dental routine, but the price point might not make it the best option for everyone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.